Hello and welcome to this presentation. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can place trades using the eToro Forex platform. It's a very easy and simple process. In addition, you're going to learn how to use all these great features and tools, such as the top traders insight, that will allow you to gain the extra edge you need in order to become successful in Forex. To get started, you're going to click on Forex charts. Once you click there, you will see this window that pops up. I have it set up as the euro against the dollar. I mean, you can switch this into the dollar against the pound, or you can switch between the pound against the euro. It's really up to you. Because I trade the euro against the dollar the most, I have it like this set up. Right now the rate is 1.2924. It means that 1 euro is equal to 1.2924 US dollars. This is the chart of the last hour, the price movement of the last hour, as you can see. Now this chart to me doesn't really tell me anything. The reason being is because it's just too boring and too dull. So what I do is I click on candlestick. It's the candlestick patterns, which is basically the same chart, but it's a much cooler, colorful chart. And for me, it's much easier to analyze the data on this chart than to do it on this one. It's a matter of taste, really, but it's much easier on this kind of pattern to follow than the other one. Why? Because it's more colorful. Also because it's easier to follow the candlestick pattern. You see the green candlestick means that the rate is going up and the price is going up, and the red candlestick, it means that the price is going down. So for me, it's much easier just to use this kind of pattern chart than the other one. Also, you can just change the time frame intervals that you are more interested in looking at. So this is a very cool chart, and it helps you analyze much more accurately than the line chart. So once you have the currency pair that you're looking to buy or to sell, it's time to actually enter the trade. Now you do that by first of all clicking on advanced trade limits. This will pop up two different options: stop loss and take profit. If you have read our website, stop loss means it's basically a safety net. That means that we're telling the software, the platform, to exit our trade at a specific amount. This means if the trade is going in the opposite direction as we expected it and we're losing money, by setting up a stop loss here first, the software will exit the trade for us automatically. Same thing with take profit. Take profit is if we're making money and the trade is going in our direction, we're telling the software to exit the trade for us once we reach a level that we feel comfortable with. Now, don't ever underestimate the value of these two things. This is the most important thing that you gotta do in Forex trading is always have a stop loss and always have a take profit. Why? Because let's say that you enter a trade and you just forget all about it, and you go when you walk out of the living room or the computer and you do something else. Now in Forex, the price movement is so rapid, so fast, that if you didn't have a stop loss and if the trade goes in the opposite direction as you expected, you can lose a lot of money. So you might as well just have a stop loss and take profit each and every time, just to make sure that you're going to make money in each and every trade. And if you lose, you're going to minimize the money you're going to lose. So I cannot really stress this enough. This is crucial for your success. Always set up a stop loss and take profit. Now, in our website, we offer the free service of telling you when to buy, when to sell. Now, if you go back to our website, for today, let's say for the euro against the dollar, let's say that it tells you it's a buy signal and you get a stop loss at 40 pips and take profit at 20 pips. Now, what you do is you come here and you put a stop loss of 40 pips, of $40, which is the same as 40 pips, and you take a profit, let's say, of 20. Okay, $20 and $20 is 20 pips. So that's basically it. It's all simple. I mean, it's not really rocket science. And you trade $40 total. I mean, you can switch here as much as you want. And you click on open trade, and here's a confirmation window, and you are done. It's just that, it's all said and done. You already entered a trade, and you're waiting to be profitable. That's it. Now, besides this, you have different options that you can go with and you can use to your advantage. One of the coolest options in eToro for me is incredibly useful is the top traders inside. Now, you may wonder where all these figures are. Well, let me tell you. This is live information right now, and it tells you, it gives you a percentage of the trading activity on each specific pair. Now, what this means to you is such a valuable information because it tells you what other traders on this platform in eToro are doing right now. For instance, let's say this example, the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. 93% of the people that actually enter that trade, 93% are buying. Now, this is very important because if you don't really know what to do, if you don't really know what trade to go for, you can always take a look at the top traders inside and you can just copy what they're doing. If 93% of the people in eToro, the top traders, are buying the US dollar against the Canadian dollar, duh, I mean, you got to go ahead and do the same thing. Same thing with the US dollar against the Swiss franc. If 93% of the people are actually buying, well, you do the same thing, you buy. I mean, this tool is just incredible because it allows you to copy what the best traders are actually doing at this specific moment. So either you use our software or you use this. I mean, there's no way you can lose money with this. I mean, you're going to make money. You're going to be on top of your game each and every time. Okay, so I think that's going to wrap it up for today. This is the first video. We'll be doing plenty in the near future. If you have any questions, just please email us or just email eToro, and we'll be glad to get back to you as soon as we can. That's all for now. Have a good day. Bye-bye.